wanna show some love because it is me. So now I'm over here saying what it's going to be, gonna be. Saying I seen the people saying what it's gonna be, what it's going to be today. Saying I wanna go and say some names, I'm showing the love my way. To the people coming by, showing love to the J, and I wanna go and show love back. Saying yes, I'm over here just doing this thing. Oh yes, I got your back. So what it gonna be? So what it's gonna be? You see me on TV. So what it's gonna be? It's you and me. So what it's gonna be? So what it's gonna be? I'm standing on a beat, standing on a beat. Saying the shade love is in the house. I said that what it's really gonna be, gonna be. So then you sports I highlight. Oh yes, you know it, what it's gonna be, what it be. Got the givers in the house today. Everybody know the what it's gonna be, gonna be. Said I'm gonna say the nice day because it's just a what it's gonna be. They're gonna be what it gonna be. Hey, so what it gonna be? Let's go. What it gonna be? Hey, so what it gonna be? It's you and me. I seen the DJ in the house. I know you over there hanging with your dogs. So with your dog. Got the killers over here. Oh yeah, we gonna do that top of y'all. That top of y'all. So Killer Wilkins in the day. Oh yes, I'm here to go and say your name. I say your name. Got the Mr. Aisha. You know she deeper up in the game. In the game. So what it gonna be? Hey, so what it's gonna be? Let's go. So what it's gonna be? Hey, so what it's gonna be? So what it be? So what it's gonna be? They saying it's you and me, you and me. So what it's gonna be? They saying it what you see, saying what you see. Saying that CC Texas Garden in the house, you know it what we gonna be, gonna be. Some people's over there, they jumping over double. These are just for me, the just for me. Saying that everybody in the house, you know that what it's really gonna be. So what it be? Saying that Gilbert in the ice cold with the shirt off, of what it be? Or what it be? So what it's gonna be? Hey, so what you gonna see? So what you see? So what it's gonna be? Hey, so what you gonna see? What you gonna see? So what it gonna be? Hey, so what you gonna see? That you see? So what you gonna be? I say that it is you and me. Oh yes, it's you and me. Oh, saying I wanna show some love to you. I'm showing love, but to the everyone, the everyone. But if you try to show me, oh yes, I'm gonna go and get your son, get your son. Because you think I'm nice though, but still because I will go do my do. I do my do. Just a back into that basic, you know that what I really come for you. I come for you. So what it gonna be? Hey, so what it's gonna be? Let's go. So what it's gonna be? Hey, so what it's gonna be? Let's go. So what is gonna be? I know you over here to hang with me, to hang with me. So what is gonna be? Hey, so what is gonna be? So what it be? Say if you wanna show love, you know I'm showing love. Or where to be? Or where to be? That if you don't show love, you know I'm gonna give you one of these. The one of these. Some other people looking, they looking crazy at me. At me. Saying I am a stone cold man, but still I'm over here to with the bee. Oh, with the bee. So what is gonna be? Hey, so what you wanna see? Let's go. So what you wanna be? Hey, so what you wanna see? I say, so what is gonna be? Hey, so what you wanna see? Did you see? So what you gonna be? You over here to hang with me, here to hang with me. So what is gonna be today? You be today, you what is gonna be? Let's go, let's go. So when we over here today, so when I'm showing love on the beat, so talking about the what is gonna be. I know you over here to hang with me. So now I want to go and show my love. So when I say no what is gonna be, I say that what is gonna be. Hey, so what you wanna see? What you wanna be? Hey, so what you wanna see? What you see? So what you gonna be? So what you gonna see? What you see? So what is gonna be? You here to hang with me? It's you and me.